What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in having some crypto in your Fidelity portfolio, I've got 3 funds just for you. Stay tuned. If you are just getting started in crypto for the first time using Fidelity, you should look at IBIT, iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. Here's the quick facts when you buy IBIT. IBIT is BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF. It lets you own Bitcoin through a regular brokerage such as Fidelity. This gives you direct exposure to the Bitcoin's price. It's a simpler plus safer way than managing wallets, keys, or exchanges. Now you might ask, why is IBIT so attractive? First of all, it has lower fees compared to other Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock holds the real Bitcoin, and each share of IBIT represents a portion of that Bitcoin. Price tracks Bitcoin almost one-to-one with a small management fee. The fee that you are paying is 0.25% annual expense ratio. When you purchase IBIT, this ETF, it holds 100% Bitcoin. Fidelity's IBIT ETF opened up January 2024 and is very volatile, from $22 per share up to $70, now trading at $50 at the time of this recording. If you are holding the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, you need to have a strong stomach for volatility. Coming in at number 2, are you looking to invest in Ethereum? Check out ticker symbol FETH, part of Fidelity's latest crypto fund. Fidelity now offers an Ethereum fund, ticker symbol FETH, which tracks Ethereum. When you buy shares of FETH from the Fidelity platform, you're effectively getting the exposure to Ethereum, but you don't have to mess with the wallets, private keys, or crypto exchanges just like IBIT. Reviewing ETH on Fidelity, this ETF was introduced in July of 2024, around $33 per share. It went as low as $15 per share up to $45, now back down to $30 at the time of this recording. Like I said before, you need a strong stomach for this volatility. At number 3, Fidelity Solana Fund. FSOL, this allows you to invest in Solana through the Fidelity platform. So when you purchase FSOL through Fidelity's crypto platform, you are getting exposure to Solana. You don't have to personally hold Solana in a wallet, manage any private keys, or deal with crypto exchanges personally. The fund may stake up to 100% of Solana holdings. I created this chart so you can compare all 3 funds that we just reviewed. IBIT, FETH, and FSOL all have a 0.25% expense ratio that is charged annually. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch the end of this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and be sure to check out under the playlist tab. You can go under crypto trading on Gemini if you are interested in learning more about trading crypto. Be sure to take a moment, comment on the video, and tell me what your thoughts are on these options for crypto. And also check out the 6 more links under Trading Simplified, where you can join the WAP if you want to invest in a community of traders, or you want to become a YouTube member to gain early access to videos like this, or you can join the free Discord as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.